Hello and Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to use a full glue tempered glass by the company 3D Tools for Xiaomi Android 1. So this is the mobile, this is the Android 1, it's bare screen, there is no protector on it. So let's now put on the new full glue glass protector with 3D, and it has some impact resistance. So the impact resistance, the 9H hardness. Okay, so what we have inside, this is kind of a premium level unboxing of a screen protector. You don't get one of these each every day. It's costly too. It cost me around $10. So now I'm gonna open it. As you can see, the matte coating, this is the protector, and they claim it is bendable to 180 degrees, but I'm not gonna do that here. So this is the wipes. Okay, yeah, premiumly packed, not like those other wipes. Okay, so this is the screen protector. Oh wow, very nice. So the logo on it, it's called Proda. The name of the protector is Proda, full glue tempered glass, designed by Proda in Hong Kong, and it was designed in Hong Kong and it's made in China. Okay, so let's open the wipes. Okay, no smell of any alcohol in there. Let's clean it all up, all the fingerprints and all the dust. Also, you can use, if you have a good glass cleaner, you can also use that, but it's recommended you use this. After that, clean it with a microfiber cloth, not any other cloth. Use a microfiber cloth. The cloth I'm cleaning it, the screen, is a microfiber cloth, and this is a detailing brush used for cleaning the car's logo. So if you have a new one, you can use it on the screen to remove any excess dirt. Okay, so it has a color on it. It's black. The Proda is black. The specs on it, it has like what they told it has a plasma coating. It's 184, fingerprint proof, no white border, and impact resistance. Wow, that's nice. Let's see how long this can last. Okay, cleaning a little bit again, because now I'm gonna apply it. Also make sure that your fan is turned off, and if you have a air conditioner unit, it should be turned on. Make sure there are no bubbles in it. I tried to do it properly, but this time I was making a video, so some bubbles came in it. But after using the microfiber cloth for like 1 or 2 minutes, 99% of the bubbles were gone. As you can see, this is a clear coat finish. Now and also this is a tempered glass, so even if the mobile falls down, my screen won't be damaged. Oh, Dogecoin news. Thanks for watching the video, man. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.